Look at the feet on that thing. Jeepers. Little baby. Big old feet. I was trying to help the little guy. Mama bird, Papa bird, not happy with me trying to help. So I'm gonna let him be. Alright, so the bird, the nest. I'm definitely gonna put him back in there because if I don't, we have a Labrador retriever and he's got a 0% chance of living. I'm gonna take the chance that old mama bird and papa bird will forgive me for putting them back in his nest. Let's find out. So I got some water, some worms for him. You want some more, buddy? I think he's feeling a little better. He opens his mouth up for more water. Starting to trust me. How's that feel? Just in case there's a bird attack, might as well get it on video. Trying to do what's right, but we'll see how that works out for me here. Come here, little guy. I know. It's okay. It's okay. No, hey. Hey, yo. You back with that? Okay, not no more. Tried helping, but he just jumped right back out. Okay, I tried helping. So he can tell I'm trying to help him with the water. I think Mama bird and Papa bird can see I'm helping them, so that's good. Taking the chance here, that's for sure. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna help him. Moving forward, worth a shot. So my game plan is to lead him over to that tree where there's bushes and hopefully they can survive. So the little guy did let me pick him up. I brought him over to this tree, brought him some water. I'm gonna bring him some food, and then I think that's his best chance of survival. His mom and Papa bird allowed me to do that without getting too angry at me. So hopefully the little guy makes it. Good job, buddy. You're a fighter. So it's been about an hour since I let him over here. I'm gonna take some more water, food, check up on the little guy, if I can find him. Not sure. There he is. I don't know what to do for you, little guy. So I'm just gonna leave this food and water in here for him. lead him. Come on. Hopefully he'll go over there and survive. Come on, bud. I'll lead him back over there though.